how to send a Word document from laptop to your phone. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how you can send Word document from laptop to your phone. So let's get it started. So on this process, firstly, you will have to choose that Word document you want to send from your laptop to your phone. So in my case, I have this random Word document here, like it's demo. So I have saved it to my laptop device. So to send it, I have to open the WhatsApp app. So I have to open the WhatsApp. And now after opening the WhatsApp, I will have to choose the conversation or I can choose myself on WhatsApp. So after choosing the conversation, you will have to go with the options attachment. So it will be beside at the emoji icon. So you have to go with the options attachment. And now from here, you will have to go with the options document. Alright, so now from here, you will have to choose that what document whom you want to send it via mobile phone. So I'm selecting this demo file. Okay, so after selecting this, you have to click on this open option. And now from here, you'll have to click on this send option. And as you can see, I have successfully sent the demo.docs file in the WhatsApp through my laptop. So to serve it from mobile, I will have to go with my mobile and save it from there. So likewise, you can also send the Word document from your laptop to your phone. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.